Recently I bought a canoe with Jake, which you would have seen in my previous video. So I decided to head out somewhere local to test it out and go on a trip. Who not better to bring with me than my dad, bushwacker, and we spent the night out under our tarps down a local canal. I hope you enjoy this video. Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm testing out my new canoe with the good old bushwacker man. You can see in the front over there. There he is, the man, the myth, the legend. So yeah, I'm at the back. I said I needed some practice, so get used to the steering and get the hang of the J-stroke. So yeah, I'm gonna spend a night out tonight. But yeah, you can see this is 16-foot Who canoe, massive, got all our gear in it and still got more space. So that's with 2 people, camping gear, water, food. You know our bushwacker eats, you've seen his videos. So we have got a lot of food. Caught in a bit of snags now. Recently had a bit of a storm, so some trees have come down. So nice to get out and test that out. But me and Jake went and picked that up from Cornwall a few weeks ago. I think it was a couple of weeks ago. I wanted to come out and give it a little tester. Bought a bushwacker man with me. Decent weather for it. And this is just a local canal nearby.
How's the J looking, Skip?
Beautiful. We paddled a little while longer to find somewhere to pitch for the night. Eventually we found this lovely place right next to the river where we camped previously and began setting up camp for the night. Right, so we found our spot for tonight. We've camped here before, you might have seen it in one of my older videos. But it's a really pretty spot and you're right next to the water, so set up here, got plenty of wood. Bushwacker's just set his plough point configuration up. Maybe you want to set mine up now.
Lux, isn't it?
You got your new...
You feel the heat under it?
Yeah, it's radiating.
It's trapping, isn't it?
You got your new Bushcraft Spain canvas tarp. I'm really jealous of that. And his Bushcraft Spain bedroll.
Traditional gear is the best gear.
Yeah, it is quite good.
Quite.
He always goes on, because I always when I go hiking I normally use like the rub stuff, lightweight stuff, and he always rinses me for it, don't you?
Yeah, no, you can't beat traditional gear, long lasting, durable.
That is true.
Durable.
I think it's horses for courses, isn't it? Right, so I'm gonna go find a pole now and set my tarp up, because I've literally just got the bivvy, got a bivvy bag, so I really just wanted to be under the stars tonight and camp out, and then but I might have a little tarp set up, either a plough point or a different setup, because I just want to feel like I'm really outside. Now got the plough point configuration up. I'm just going to put my sleep system in. Got a lightweight foam mat. Does the job. Had this ages. Got my Rab Ascent bivvy bag with my Rab Neutrogena Pro sleeping bag. Thank you, Eva Comas, I think that's how you say your name, I always forget. Yeah, love a bit of rab gear. Pop that in. That's me for tonight. I'll probably use my life jacket and my jacket, my normal coat, for a pillow. And I've got this lovely view tonight.
time. At your own pace, you need to find your way. I know now you'll never change your mind for something that matters to me. You do not know what I have in mind. I packed our bags, we'll be on our way. The night was long as I waited.
Right, on the menu, got some egg wraps, which should be nice, something quick and simple. Just done that on the gas burner, turning it off now. Yeah, lovely.
What's your biggest need? Every hour we spend together, then suddenly the chances are small, just like the lottery.
Just come out for a little paddle, getting used to controlling the boat by myself and using the J-stroke. So it's about 6:30 now, 7. Had my dinner, which was nice, but it's a real art and a skill to operate a canoe solo. And ever since I watched Ray Mears, I've always been really inspired, because the way that he could just operate and control a canoe so well by himself was just amazing. Just got back, been out on the canoe for quite a while. Bushwacker's making a brew at the minute on his firebox stove, and then yeah, gonna hit the hay. I'm actually quite knackered now. Right, I will see you in the morning, guys. Bright and breezy. I also want to say a huge thank you to the lovely woman who made me this hat. I really appreciate it. I actually forgot her Instagram name, but I will leave it in the description. She makes these lovely homemade woolen, like, I think these are just like, what would you call this head thing?
Huh?
What do you call these head things? Huh?
Buff, innit?
So they got a name, I can't think of it at the minute. I can't think of the name, but
Head warmer.
yeah, like a head warmer sort of thing. Yeah, these head warmers and woolly hats, and they're really nice, and this is keeping my head really insulated compared to the cap that I had on a minute ago. Right, I'll see you tomorrow, everyone. Night. Morning. Slept really well last night, and it's beautiful this morning. Birds are singing, sun's out, so perfect way to just wake up under the tarp and looking out. What a stunning morning. Slept really well. It dropped in the night, it was quite chilly. Right, I'm gonna get up now and make a brew, I reckon. Right, just waiting for brew to boil, got that on now. And this morning I've bought some what are they called? Pan chocolat, pan au chocolat, I can't say it, it's French, isn't it? Bought them for breakfast, so I'm going to heat them up on my little frying pan have that, and then I might go out for a little paddle. After a lush night spent under the tarps and a morning of chatting and reminiscing on old trips while sipping coffee bankside, we packed up our kit and paddled back up the canal. Spring is definitely on its way, and I cannot wait to have more trips in the canoe shortly. Right, we're just paddling back now and got about 4 mile paddle. Thank you so much for watching. Go check out Bushwacker Man's channel, as he's done a video on this as well.